it's Ms. Carly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for stopping by and sharing, subscribing, and liking my channel. I really appreciate it. Also, my main objective for all of my videos is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by a wig in the color of brown, if you can imagine. So normally, like I've always said in my videos, that I feel really weird actually when I put a normal, you know, blonde or brown or black wig on. I feel like it's just looks very not like me, and I feel really weird in it, but I feel very natural, like in the turquoise and the lavenders and all those different colors, which is crazy. So the story with this wig I'm gonna be showing you in this beautiful brown, if you could imagine, here's the information on it. So it's actually, the brand, it's a wig, and it is in the color of P4/30. It's the Swiss Lace Juno right here. Comes in lots of colors, as you can see. This one color, really neat, she has on with, it looks pretty natural with the low lights and whatnot. So this wig actually is brown, but what I really like about it is that it really has like some natural highlights and low lights added to the wig. So it just looks really, really interesting. So when I first got this wig, I put it on and I was like, no, this isn't gonna work. And then I put it in the box and I put it away, and then I opened the box up about 6 months after I put it away, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it work. I mean, Tim Gunn, make it work, was just in my head. So I put on the wig around my house when I was getting ready, I think I had the day off, and after about 20 minutes, I was like, you know, it's kind of growing on me. And then all of a sudden I was like, I love this wig. Why was I being so dramatic about it? So sometimes you just need to put it on and just let it sit on your head, or if it's an outfit, just wear it a little bit and let it, you know, let it flow on you. So that's what I did, and now I really like this wig. So let's get into the construction of the wig. Again, this wig is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you do choose to use heating products on it. I have yet to ever modify a wig because I generally like the style that the wigs come in, like wavy, curly, or straight. So this wig has, let's see here, 2 clips in the front here, and then 1 clip in the back with the fasteners. So of course with the fasteners, you would just make it tighter or looser depending on your head size. Again, if you do put it too tight, which is generally where I feel when I've watched wig videos that a lot of the girls like to wear the wigs really tight. So what I find that if I wear a little too tight, about an hour after I put the wig on, I've realized my head is pounding from the wig. Who knew? So it's an easy fix, just loosen it up. So pretty easy, and that's what I like about the wigs. You can easily put them on, take them off. It's not such a commitment, and which is also why I love a wig, is that with this hair color, which I do love, is that I can't just change it because I know I'd miss it, and it's a process to change my hair red to another color, and I'm not prepared to go dark yet. So let's get into this, putting on this wig right now. So I have my nude cap right here, which I did get off of Amazon for a 10-pack for $5.99. You of course do not need to wear a wig cap if you do not choose. You also can choose any color you like. They generally say choose a wig cap color the same color as your scalp, because a lot of these wigs will have a different parting. Either see clearly my parts on this side. Actually, this wig will be parted on the opposite side, which is kind of neat. So it kind of gives my, you know, I'm so used to turning one way, I'll have everything on the other side. So I have this on. Sometimes I do use a going blank right now, a hair tie and just tie it up, and often I don't. I just shove all my hair in there. So depending on how much hair you have, you may have to twist it up or whatnot. So let's just put this guy on in the front and in the, oh yeah, so this one, like I said, I should have put it on a little bit more this way. So let's just, so what you do when you put it on, you just have to pull on it. Pull on each side, pull on the sides, pull on the front, just to secure it on your head. So, I mean, just like this, I mean, I haven't even clipped it in, and it just feels perfectly on my head. It feels tight, it feels secure, it doesn't feel like it's gonna be going anywhere. I mean, it feels great. I think I have it all correctly. So it's just you can just kind of play around with it. I do feel like this one is shedding just a little bit more than normal, but also it's such a thick wig. Like, I think my hair is definitely not this thick, which is also why I like wigs, is that generally a little bit thicker than my hair. And then also my most favorite thing in the world about wigs, besides the color change, is no matter what's going on outside, rain, snow, humidity, my hair will look perfect all the time, and it won't be flipping or do anything funky. It will always be perfect, and it just is, it's like you just stepped out of the salon the entire day, and I just love it. So that's my story there. So yeah, you just kind of pull on it, mess with, you can kind of mess with the part. I mean, just have fun with it and enjoy it. So actually, I really do like it. Here, let me just turn around so you can see this angled bob here, which is what's going on right now. And then I'll do this side too. Pretty sweet, right? Great. So of course, anyone, if you have any sort of questions, please reach out to me in any sort of platform that I have. All of my social media postings right here, and then also all the information for me, and then also this wig will be down below. So please check it out. And I'd love to hear from you. What wigs have you bought? Which ones do you like, and which ones didn't you like? Or maybe which ones that you will give another chance, maybe after hearing my story of giving this wig another chance. So again, thank you for all stopping by. I really appreciate it, and sharing, liking, and subscribing. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you soon. Bye!